Okay, so this is my chapter 3 video walkthrough. I'm going to start with exercise number 1, where it says to select a product code, product name, list price, and discount percent from products table. And as you can see, I have that input on the first statement here. I'll go ahead and run that, and you can see it in the grid down below. And then it asks to add an order by clause, and the order by clause, I actually found it in figure 316 right over here, where it says order by vendor name descending. So in here it says to add an order by list price descending, and run that, and as you can see, the prices go from greatest to smallest. And the question 2 asks you to write a select statement that returns one column from customers table with full name, customers table name, full name that joins the last name and first name column. That and was this one here. I found the concat statement in figure 3.3. That was right over here, function that returns the full name, select concat first name, comma, space, last name as full name. So that's where I ran that here. As you can see, it goes through the grid results there. And then it says format this column with the last name and a comma space. And that is where return only the customers whose last name begin with M through Z. This answer I found actually in the hint video, where he explained that we shouldn't be using a between. We should be using a greater than or equal to, and then the order by last name ascending. And as you can see, let's see, it's not running. There we go. And we have the 4 last names starting from S going down to Z. Question number 3. Write a select statement that returns these columns from the order tables, and then it says return only the rows where the ship date column contains a null value. So this one was actually pretty easy. All you had to do is look up the is null, and that was in figure 315. Tells you right here. Let's see. Select where invoice total is null, and so I put that in. Select order ID, order date, ship date from orders where the ship date is null. And that actually pulls up these 4 results. Let's actually copy this and post it in here. Now, question 4 says write a select statement without a from clause that creates a row with these columns. To calculate the 4th column, add the expressions used for the 1st and 3rd. This one was actually a little trickier. In the video, explained that we weren't pulling the results from a table, that we were making up our own table. So it took me a second, or it took me a few minutes for it to actually click that I wasn't actually pulling anything from here, and that I was creating my own. So that's when I wrote up the select 100 as price. First I was actually doing select price as 100, and it was pulling a 1 column figure with just the price at the top, or a 100 at the top, instead of in the results. Then I was trying to do price times tax rate equal as tax amount, because again I was thinking table and not creating my own inputs. And then the 3rd statement, to calculate the 4th column and the expressions used for the 1st and 3rd column, I just added the total from the 2nd results here, and as you can see, it pulls up this results in the grid. So let's see, let's pull this and put it in here. Thank you.